What's up, guys? Welcome to Blowin Smoke, where we grill, smoke, cook, and at the end of the meal, we have a fine cigar. Alright guys, this is the brine we were talking about before. So get yourself a good heavy duty bucket. We're looking at about 35 to 40 wings here, 2 trays. Fill it up, cold water, cover all the wings. We added half a cup of sriracha, nice and hot. We want the wings spicy. We added a cup of kosher salt and about a half a cup of sugar. Mix it all up, dissolve everything, add your wings, throw in the fridge, give yourself about 24 hours. You want that brine to set in. It's going to make the wings super flavorful. We had our wings in the brine. It's been about 24 hours. Magic of online video. They're ready to go. All right, now the next step is we got to get them ready. We're going to prep them for the barbecue. So get a good pair of tongs like this. We're going to take them out. We're going to pat them dry. So we want to pat it dry. So shake off the excess. Take your time with this. Like I said, we've got about 2 trays of wings here. It's about 35, 40 wings. I'm going to put them in this layered aluminum foil. I got paper towel down there to soak up the liquid. I'm going to shake off the excess with this, and then I'm going to take more paper towel and pat them dry. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to do it in batches. We want to get it done quickly so that we can prep them. So here we go. Remember, we're working with raw chicken too, so always be clean. As soon as you're done this step and they're patted dry, get inside, wash your hands, hot water, soap, make sure you're clean. Okay, so we've got the wings taken out. Got my paper towel here. Good tip when you're smoking these is you want them super, super dry. So pat this excess liquid, take your time, like I said, get them ready because we're gonna put them in a little bit of a dry rub and get them ready for the barbecue, all right? All right, guys, wings are drained, patted them dry. They're ready for what I call the glue and the dry rub. So wings are ready. I went inside, washed my hands, clean surface, we're good to go. We're gonna use a Carolina honey mustard. It's a nice little kind of thing to add, and it acts as a glue, which is going to help the dry rub that we add adhere to the wings, so they're ready for the smoker. They'll come out really nice. You can smell that sriracha already. It's banging. Everything's smelling good. So we're going to grab the honey mustard here, Carolina style. It's a nice, sweet, smoky, vinegary. It's going to really complement the wings here. So just give yourself, kind of like I said, a glue. Get these all ready to go. That's more than enough, about half the bottle, because I got, like I said, 35, 40 wings here. Give everything a mix. You can smell right away. I can smell the honey mustard flavor. I can smell the vinegar of the sriracha. Oh yeah, these are going to be good. Got the glue of the honey mustard barbecue sauce thing on there, so ready for the dry rub. So this is a dry rub I make all the time. I'm going to list the ingredients on there. If you don't want to use some of the ingredients in there, feel free to use whatever you like. There's a lot of store-bought dry rubs too that work. Anything you like, barbecue flavor. If you like sweeter style, you can use that. If you like more garlicky, go for it. So our glue is ready. Sprinkle these things on here. Be liberal with this stuff too, guys. Don't be scared. You gotta season the meat. It's gotta be nice, ready to go. You get the tongs out of here. We don't need to season the tongs. All right. Getting the wings all coated, ready for that grill. Doing the wings, you gotta have some sides. We gotta get some greens in us, so we're doing a little veggies on the side too. I've just got some nice, beautiful red peppers here. All we did, give them a quick rinse. We're gonna smoke them as well, so they're good to go. I like to smoke them whole. No cleanup right now. They'll be good to go. We're also doing corn. You got this corn here. We're gonna keep it in the husks. We've soaked them in water. That's gonna help them smoke, and then we'll deal with them at the end. They'll be ready to peel, perfect and ready to go. And what better than nice grilled asparagus to go with it? It's a nice summer veg. So I'm just gonna leave the elastic on like this. That's what I like to do. And you just gotta take the little ends off the stems here. Good to go. And same thing, rinsed, ready for the grill. We're gonna go with the foil pouch, so I'm gonna show you how to whip that up real quick. Today we're using mesquite. You can pretty much buy these things anywhere. Hardware stores, department stores, the mall, online. I like mesquite. It adds a little nice flavor. It's gonna work well for us. So biggest thing when you're using the wood chips, you gotta soak them a little bit. I go about half hour, that's all it takes. You don't want to soak them too much because we want them to smolder. We want the smoke to come off them, so it ends up working well. So we're just gonna take the foil like this. Give yourself, I don't know, small little piece. You don't need too much. Got our soaked chips here. Put them right in the center. Don't overfill it. We don't need too many. Okay. And then just like you're wrapping a present. One side here, one side here. Tuck it in the bottom there. Nice and tight. Since we do everything outside, we're gonna bust out the old tomahawk here. Get yourself a couple little slits. That's all you need. 2, 3, 4. Safety 2, guys. Watch out. All right. We're gonna show you how to throw this on the grill when we're ready to go. So I inserted the pouches. What I did is I took the foil pouch from earlier. I wedged them in the side of the burners. I'll show you. Turn the barbecue on. I want them to start catching and smoking. So I got the barbecue get up to about 300. I'll show you what it looks like. You got one pouch on this side, one pouch on this side. Don't worry, we wedged them in between the plates there. They're gonna catch and start to smoke. We wanna get it up to at least 300, 325. Then we're gonna kill the heat down to low and kind of create a convection type smoker. And the wings are gonna go on, and we're gonna leave the wings for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, checking on them. We'll throw the veggies on the top here, and then everything should be good to go. I've dropped the temp down to low. There's gonna be a little bit more smoke now starting to form. That's what we wanna see. Get your grill brush, give everything a good scrape. You wanna do this while the barbecue is hot. Now, we're looking for around 225. That's our smoking temperature. That's where we want the barbecue to kind of stay at, so we don't overcook or undercook the wings, okay? So we're gonna get the wings on next. We're at 225, like I said, that's what we wanna hit. Work quickly, because we don't wanna lose all that smoke. You're gonna hear some sizzle, because the grill plates are hot. That's okay. Space the wings out. We've got about, like I said, 35, 40 wings. I got all the wings on. You can see the smoke starting to form. Smells amazing. We got that honey mustard glue. So now we're gonna shut it. We're gonna check it on in a half hour. This is the time now, you just leave it. Let them do their thing. Don't open the lid. Don't poke around. Let's go, let them sit there for a half hour, and then we'll check on them. Checked. Temp's been good. We're at 225. So I'm gonna do a quick check. Like I said, see what's going on. Boom. This is exactly what we wanna see. We still got the smoke starting to go. You're getting a little bit of a sear on the chicken. They're changing color a little bit. Now's the time, like I said, just let them do their thing. If you notice it starts to get a little too hot, you can always shut one of the middle burners off, and you're gonna keep that convection style going, because we do have the smoke pouch on the left and on the right. So perfect. We're gonna let these go for a little bit longer. Guys, we're about halfway, so we're gonna get the veggies on, and we're gonna give our chicken a quick turn. So I'm gonna do the veggies real quick. Like I said, we rinsed our bell peppers. They're good to go. Get them up there. They're gonna smoke. We got our asparagus. My hands are clean, guys. This is a chef, a barbecue master's best tool, set of clean hands. Get those on. Put them on an angle. You're gonna catch that smoke. And we soaked the husks. They're ready to go for the corn. We'll get those on. You notice I'm not making a ton of veggies because we're all about the meat. We're all about the smoke flavor. So we're gonna do the wings. That's what we're showcasing. So look at that. They've got that beautiful char. They've got that beautiful smoke ring to them. You can smell them. All I smell is the mesquite. All I smell is that vinegar from that honey mustard glue. These are gonna be good. So like I said, we're about 35 minutes in. Temp's been great. I'm gonna give these a quick flip, and then we'll show you the end. Wings are ready to come off. You're gonna see that smoke flavor one last time. Oh baby. All I smell is that mesquite. You can smell that brine, the vinegar, everything. Veggies are done. We've got beautiful char here. You see the corn, our asparagus, and our beautiful red peppers. Everything's ready to come off. Let's plate it up. They're plated. You can smell that smoky flavor. I let them rest a little bit. They're nice and warm. What I like to do is get some really good honey, and we're just gonna give them a quick drizzle. Let that thing baste there. Give them a quick little touch. All you need is a little bit. It's gonna add a little bit of shine and a little bit of sweetness. It's gonna complement that spicy sriracha and that nice vinegariness from the honey mustard, as well as our dry rub. So I'm just gonna give these a quick bath. Like I said, you can use as little or as lot as you like. If you like your barbecue sauces and that, now's the time too. You can throw a fire and ice, a buffalo, a honey garlic, whatever you like. They're gonna taste good. But we're all about the smoke, so we're gonna keep that. A lot of people too, they have a preference with wings. So there's two kinds. You got your drum. It's got one bone in it. It resembles a small chicken leg. You can see here. Beautiful char on it. And the other one is the flat. Flat's got the two bones. Some people find them a little meatier. Personally, I like both. And when we smoke them, they're all gonna taste good, guys. So enjoy, invite friends into these bad boys. Starting off with a nice drum. Right away, you can smell the smoke, like I said. That brine's gonna help with the saltiness. The honey at the end. Beautiful. It's cooked perfectly. My, right away, you get that brine flavor. You get that honey Dijon vinegary flavor from the mustard. All I smell is that mesquite smoke flavor. Like I said, you don't need to fry every batch of wings, guys. Take the time, use the barbecue. They come out great. I got a big platter here. Wings are done. We got our sides now too. Look at our beautiful charred roasted red pepper. There's a lot of good flavor in here, simple. We got our nice roasted asparagus. They're ready to go. Good thing with asparagus is too, you want to make sure you take them off slightly earlier. You can see that. They've still got some bend to them, but they're going to be fantastic. And our beautiful corn here, we left in the husk. Remember, we soaked the husk. All you got to do now, peel this bad boy back. Just like eating a banana. Boom. Give yourself a little bit of room here. Oh, you can smell that corn's beautiful. And then boom, give it a little bit of bath right there. Still nice and warm. You're getting that nice char, nice flavor, nice smoke, a little bit of butter. Look at that, guys. It's a great meal, and we're gonna cap it off with a fantastic little cigar. We're going with the Cuban number 263 imported. It's a Corona cigar. Like I said, it's Cuban. It's a little sweeter. It's got some woody tones to it. It's medium body, so it's a perfect way to complement the nice wing meal we just finished off. Go ahead and toast it. Start by doing the bottom here, quick. You don't want to torch the cigar, guys. Do it nice and slow. Just a few tips too. I know we talk about smoke cigar, we're smoking the barbecue. Keep them separate, guys. Do your grilling, do your smoking. Don't mix the two. It can be dangerous. Have a good time. Do your barbecuing, have a good time. Have your cigar after. That being said, let's take this baby for a test drive. Right off the bat, it's got a little bit of sweetness, like I said. It's got that woody flavor. It's going to complement the salty, briny chicken wings we had. That roasted red pepper was bold flavor. It's a nice little way to complement the meal. Gonna give another light on the top here. Get her going steady. Just to recap tonight's episode 2, I'm going to take this for a spin. Nice flavor, like I said, beautiful. Moderately priced cigar too, so it doesn't exactly break the bank, so that's a good thing we like to do. Food was great. The wings came out awesome. We smoked them. Big thanks to our mesquite guys here, McLean's. They supplied the wood chips. Our finest Carolina honey Dijon that we use as the glue for our dry rub. Fantastic. Nice smoky sriracha, and the fine people at Land Shark. You know, fins up, premium quality lager. They were great. Let's just recap a few tips. Really important when we're doing the wings, we had them in the brine. Make sure you pat them dry. If they're dry, they're gonna smoke nicer. Biggest thing when we're smoking, temperature management. You gotta control the temperature. Don't be opening that lid every 5-10 minutes. Let the food and the smoke do its thing. If you see the temperature rising a little bit, don't be afraid to kill it. Let it drop, get going again. Biggest thing, guys, take your time with it, enjoy it. Like I said, there's smoke, there's flavor.